Good morning, fellow Sierra Leoneans. It depends to the part of the world we day. As today, na the 17th of September 2021. This na communicator. They can talk about the constitutional and institutional coup where they cause for law get military coup d'etat them. Why are they talk about the constitutional and institutional coups them? When in the foundation for law will get military coup d'etat, and the foundation for law get uprising, and the foundation for law get any crisis will happen in the country. Because if we know to get them constitutional and institutional coup them, they will certain criminal and non gang up themselves na Africa from the diaspora, from back home, then gather themselves in the name of democracy, can't take power, begin do constitutional and institutional coups them. Where they feel say people need listen to people need to get forced out of. When are in today, now the foundation for law come back to military governance. We all don't see the trend where they happen now. You don't begin, and this therefore continues. Alone, not exception at all. I will also analyze again Honorable Cherry Coco in statement we've been talking at the ECOWAS Parliament a few months ago, where he said the ECOWAS Parliament for pay attention. And the early one signs them in bad governance now West Africa before them begin go make meeting them for saying they do so for begin make meeting not important because they're all at the same bunch of criminals that will not gather themselves in the name of democracy for can destroy Africa as a whole. Plenty people not die for the woman don't suffer rape picking them born houses and petty people for now make us alone not exception. And I will talk about the reckless behavior of the security sector and the selective justice, especially the military. And I also congratulate Joseph Lamboy at the prison for in good work. When I not say, I always get a song while they play now before I come on the topic proper. For life, we all they think and rethink and listen to the music. So until then they go put sense that you hate and we know exactly which is the way forward. Because no one go again also come out 30 years ago.
Mama, 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 wherever you dey, mama, 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 make you pray for me, mama, mama, because we don't tire, mama, mama, we don't tire for this oppression, mama, mama, that's why we dey ask for solution. Police they kill you also. Government they ban you also. Now waiting we go do. Now we go do. Because we not stand up. Nothing not tomorrow. Waiting we go tell our picking. Say we not fight oh for our right. Mama, 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 mama. Una know say make start my topic by saying this country called Sierra Leone, this country called Salone, a big pass to all. This country called Sierra Leone, this country called Salone, a big pass any political party meaning whatever so they do. If not good, we go enjoy them. We picking them, we can picking them, and we just yet unborn. If not bad, it go affect we. We picking them, we can picking them, and we just yet unborn. I go let's give the example of Salbat Maga in 1964 to 67. Where you can add the Public Order Act, where na in na the foundation, na in aid for like we go into one party state. Now because of that reason, the Ali Kabas and others and go na bush, they say they can't fight against oppression, suppression, bad governance, unlawful arrest and detention. And we all know what the TRC report say. The summary of them say the police and the judiciary are the main cause. There are different causes, but the main cause of the international civil war. So what happens in the judiciary? Now come on, don't get bill so up to date. Then they refuse for work on in bill condition. They tight and pass it tight. Now, first study na jail so. Till today, they don't complete the case. They wait for judgment for 7 months. Up till now, somebody they find 9 foot instead of the person be the complainant and don't turn the accused. And so many others. Now, make us say today, my topic will be the constitutional and institutional coup, the way they happen within the Africa sub-region and West Africa as a whole, and Salone not exception. Why are they cover this topic? I go name few. I go electing the way President Biodun do. Where in a constitutional coup and institutional coup d'etat. In the first place, the definition of treason. Anybody who tamper the constitutional saloon, na treason you don't commit. I want let people understand it's clear. We're not going to go take gun on seat government. No.
Because the old man they focus saying that somebody take gun and see government and that treason. No. Anybody will change the constitution, will tap out the constitution as alone, not treason. Now complete treason and they. So no treason not means a person somebody gonna take gun, you go and sit government. Then other treason where somebody take gun, a group of people take gun and can't sit government. Now treason. But the most dangerous treason that happen now Africa where you don't make they get military coup d'etat. Now then bunch of criminals then gang of Chipman they don't come. For can't destroy Africa and Salone in particular. Then they can't commit treason to the constitution. When something on the constitution, anything they change them. If it be a referendum, people agree, we vote, it pass through parliament before they change them. But anybody tamper the constitution, not treason. And we don't see the constitutional coup d'etat, institutional coup d'etat the way it don't happen in Africa, we don't lead now to military governance, military intervention. Salone not exception. We see what happened in Mali, where the president want change the constitution to make an in your favor, the population will rise up. Today, Mali get military government. Now, we don't see what's happening now in neighboring country, Guinea, where Alpha Conde make sure it tamper the constitution, it make them for favor and for good third term. We see what's happening in Guinea now. For let us say the people in Africa not to full man anymore. We see how the population in Guinea rise up against the ECOWAS. How they molest the AU and the ECOWAS. They say they don't want them there because they may sit down. Now then all sit down will make law na the world say who forget democratically elected president by how the constitution say. So on continent they not get term limits as far as they win they continue. So on continent na third term. So we Salone na 2 term. We the part of the country sign the 2-term agreement. Guinea have been 2 term. So anybody one can change them. Na constitutional coup than they. Na treason. Then they change that for favor them because when they don't thief, they no one come on up again. They one die this, so let no hold them. Then go change that for favor them. And as Nkrumah wey been there during term, he was the most popular president to be able to change that constitution for go 3rd term. All man they watch him. People and candy Robin Fale then can hey, but go more time after you not listen nobody because he want maintain the constitution and institution them intact like I meet him. He uphold the rule of law. In as much as he was popular, people may like him. He uphold the rule of law. He said the power is sweet, but you get for good chance. We see we get elections, although it was not free and fair, but we accepted the defeat. Then give President Bill chance because if you say now in a democracy and if they don't allow you to say they don't say a party to lose, if you go and they go. We see when Nkrumah come. You know do any constitutional coup or institutional coup. One of the things that we do, the one we meet in our office where they get mandates, where they sign contracts with Salone governments. Then no, they don't sign contracts with SLPP to Jankaba. They sign the contract with Salone government, i.e. the NS code, the National Security Coordinator, the bank governor, the anti-corruption commissioner, and so many other problems. And Nkrumah left them until the contract done, so they self extend for them. Because when somebody sign contracts with government, if that government change, that government cannot continuity. Government is continuity. We will not get vacuum in government. Not time you can sign contract with the political party. No, you are not signing contract with the head of state. No, you are signing contract with the government. We show Madam Biokam in the first place. What makes Salone today will confuse and will continue to confuse. Say Madam Biokam power. Where the day when you win, that the only president who win in less than 48 hours, you don't sack all ambassadors in the one wall. Sack them all. So Salone naturally then we cut off from international partners then because the embassy don't function again. You don't sack every ambassador. That's a force. We still see, the man not even notice. Look, any president who is at least give them 90 days, at least give them sometimes 6 months or 1 year. It depends, but less than 48 hours, you don't sack everybody. Then we will not get transition between the ambassadors them. Because you don't sack them already, you know appointed a problem. So then self left. So they let them go. If they not get transition, they not get briefing, they not get proper handing over because you don't sack them. Embarrass them, molest them, even for pay them money for let them come back home. So they stranded at the different countries them. This na constitutional coup. This na constitutional coup. We see where they come, when they win election. We see where President Bio and the SLP they manipulate for imposed Speaker of Parliament. First in history. Na constitutional coup. We said in court by the court where they interpret the laws of this country. Then go, they remove 10 members of Parliament, impose 10 members of Parliament without following due process of law. Na constitutional coup plan. Because if by Salone law, if they declare any seat vacant or anything happen, if they go to court, if the member of Parliament sometimes you find out one thing, then they pull ambulance, declare a seat vacant, and we go for rerun election. That in the right constitution. This is a constitutional coup d'etat and a treason. These are the ones they say that they land the law, they judge them. When they for interpret to the people them, say that's way for B. Now they go behave this constitutional coup d'etat. We still say they carry police them inside the well of parliament with arm for beat members of parliament. Na constitutional coup. We don't see say the president in West they take Salon money. If they go defend corruption, na constitutional coup. Wait, not in the law. The office of the first lady, in not in the laws of Sierra Leone. If they defend the corruption, take to CNM level. If they go defend corruption, na constitutional coup. We don't see the president they go up and down without telling the people anything. How they use Salon money, they use Salon money, they take Salon money, they go enjoy honeymoon. We don't see Usai if they impose people in a job, people where they get contact to government, if they can't put you on them, like one, the bank governor. They been get 2 years with Salon government, we can pull. This is institutional coup d'etat. The head of immigration, if they get 1 year, some month or 2 years, this is institutional coup d'etat, pull them. The anti-corruption commission, a pull them, this is institutional coup d'etat, and so many other areas them. A pull them for suit a young comfort. We should say come, it's like even cleaners, where this are people where they get, where we say, they get security job. When you're not civil servant, you are secure of your job. You're not a politician. Then sack them based on tribal line, based on political line. These are institutional coup d'etats. We see who say one can do by force censors. These are institutional constitutional coup d'etat. By force, if you do censors. We see who say one for come for say if they do national civil registration. Who say they do one. These are institutional coup d'etats them. Who say the man they pass bill in the parliament compulsively, forcefully, even parliamentarian then tower them fed, they still go there by force. These are constitutional coup d'etats them. And the name them here for now, for long I know the reason why they can't get military coup d'etats in Africa. Now so it happen in other parts now we neighboring countries them. We not for lost sight of what happen now neighboring countries. So when his neighbor house the catch fire, what if for member you are 2 day neighbor? Look your also try for help and for like hold the fire. If not, the fire they jump like us, go pass you. These are the things. Where other side them from Mali, from Chad, from Central Africa, from Guinea now, they all raise the same concern. And Salon is more worse. Salon is more worse. Now then Tia happy now then content. They will make Sujaman the young boy then grab and say no. In as much as I will be the guard the president. Now inform this special unity for secure the president. But the country is bigger than everybody. The military get a mandate. Una get a mandate for defend and protect the constitution, uphold the rule of law. That not a mandate. Not to me talking. Now I've been talking from 2018. I will always remind of my statement where we don't say in 2018 say the military get a mandate. When a mandate one panel now for uphold the rule of law, protect the constitution. Because now responsibility, primary responsibility and day. But we don't see Usai, the army don't become over reckless. The police talk no day. All institutions the way this man meets intact in company, then don't make a Tijankaba can lay the foundation and Eskruma can strengthen them. It make a very solid foundation. You should say President Biu, in just 3 years, the man he don't damage every better thing where you forget who will not build foundations then. Now for just can't add until we get a better solid foundation. I can tell you one thing say we don't need strong government now in the country, we need strong institutions. President Obama na say this year, he say if you have strong institutions, then you don't get strong government. And that we need. If forget a judiciary where the Chief Justice no in work, nobody they can tell out for do. Judge, nobody tell them for say una bend the constitution. Then we get the IG where nobody give instructions. Any reckless minister will just can't get instructions. Like when the back just don't turn a pass pieces. We get a military where the CDS no TDPAM. We get the PPRC boss where no TDPAM. We get the NEC commissioner no TDPAM. Every sector they know the DPAM. We get the Office of National Security or the CISU. All man no a role. We get the parliament where able hold government accountable, not to let this kind of parliamentary. Me, anybody in the media know the talk. This fight to the fight is a collective fight to don't fight this government here, and we go win. We the talk. O company then they will be say they now they say the right. People they will be say they now they get a different platform. They say that gem, they then an empire. We get people like MS Bangura where they jam. They don't begin fight for Salon for long ago. Sometimes they will call people for recognize them. Today. We all the syndrome they see what's in the happen. The institutional and constitutional coup d'etat they happen. And we don't see that the same thing happen now. Nobody encounters them. We Salon, in as much as we don't say what's happening at Salon, people still they go because of political party and tribal line. They know they see that day. But when the effects come, everybody get for suffer. Guinea, where Alpha come in the few elements they enjoy on the government, them if you say they can't know they. Today, when you don't come on the power, then people need that you get for understand the dynamics of any term. Let me tell you something. Africa will get a culture. Every term gets an era. The term will get military era in Africa. You like it or not, have a military era. When we get democracy, you like it or not, have a democratic era because of what the military. But when they go back to also come because we don't begin to say we get for come back for save the African democracy because then bunch of criminals don't in the name of democracy. Then they go hide, they do bad in the past, even the military man then when they come back for Sibam, we don't begin get the military era again. Look Central Africa, look Chad, look Mali, look Guinea, look Burkina Faso. And they call that they said military don't take over because of constitutional blunder. Blaise Compaoré, then we get the military in hand over 30 years. But when he continue from misbehave, what you do that then remember we be say na in get the thing in Fambulen, na they pull am, not in the exile. So look Al-Bashir, over 30 years it take to them get the army in hand, they say he get the whole country in hand. Then all are like picking fall. Put yourself with couple of sense and sampanam. These are examples. Gaddafi them. Would that be powerful past Gaddafi in Africa? The Mubarak. Would that be powerful past them? Ben Ali them. Who's that they today? Because if you feel say you have up on the military, that same military one they get for no country can number one. The military responsibility. When they tell you say go make coup d'etat. Where be say not due. When they tell you say make coup d'etat, when they tell you not for do. But our responsibility now for protect the constitution and uphold the constitution. Let me remind of my statement.
It is always the duty of the military to intervene to protect this constitution. And let me come, please. It is always the duty of the military to intervene to protect this constitution. And let me come, yes.
This is a statement only talk in 2018. It says that always the duty of the military for protect the constitution because only they tell now to for do. I know that duty. Me why in the army, I know the duty of the military. Una say for equally, not to the turn say una do A, B, C, or D. But when the term is when the term military are not doing, the people the way they pay una, then go come and do that job, then they go hold accountable. I don't say now we go back to history. Bude lavaun una be then army una no tell put una pay just of them. 24 years ago, una no tell put them. When they fail for protect the constitution, una no tell put them. That got sorry for the outside day. But we are not following a land lesson. Now we are duty for protect this constitution. Now we save the country. The military get a responsibility. Everyone gets a responsibility. We get responsibility for country as a nation. No wait for what happen in Guinea alone because we know the far from Nandi. Because oppression or suppression now in the main cause of any uprising. We get for stick and say no to oppression. We get for stick and say no to suppression. We get for stick and say no to injustice. We get for stick and say no to unnecessary killing, necessary arrest and detention because of someone who supported SLPP. We get for stick. Now then see Ali Kabade go to bush war. Why they rape woman then? Why they kill Pekin then? Why they burn hosts then? Why they amputate people with the Siam? This democracy will they jeopardize so that you don't fight for people don't die. Law no Sidom, President Bio the winner then can destroy the democracy na saloon. Law not sit down again, it can be destroyed in democratic way because we are not too far from what happened in Guinea. We are very close. These things will never say, if we don't protect constitutional coup, we don't protect institutional coup, we don't protect constitutional treason, we don't protect institutional treason, we are heading for military. Because sometimes the population will force you to do what you do. Mali, not to the military gap, now the population force them because they say they non-command, they don't send the army, they don't be killed, they don't fumble them. Every civilian get fumbled at the military. Every military man get family like the civil. Every policeman get family like the civil. So you know country for killing people and then they can go say no, we need to kill people again. Mali, the people have forced the army for do to do. Sudan, the people have forced the army for do to do. Burkina Faso, the people have forced the army for do to do. We don't know to that people they force now. Now we get chance for use of voice. We get chance for come out, law protest and demonstrate and tell them say we know to tolerate any constitutional blunder, any constitutional coup. We know to condone any constitutional coup d'etat because the parliament they aid a bit already. Now I go every parliamentary will talk say they need to give you chance. Look at that there. You know if people are not say the parliament it's unfortunate for parliamentary for them to come. It's unfortunate thing can do the. They need to give you chance. Who not they give you a chance? Who not they give you a chance? Who not they give you a self chance? They need to give you chance. Now they member of parliament go to that serial television. They will don't try, but they don't for cry down. Now chance they need to give you. Member of parliament. These are member of parliament who need to talk all the day. They will don't try you. Now chance they not give you. It's a shame. When you go talk, we know the parliament right now, don't say the parliament don't like parliament. But who want to talk for something, continue for talk about them. Now no say you need the aid and a bit. Constitutional coup or institutional coup. Continue for talk about them. Like when the African president every day. If we are going to parliament today, Una raise it today, tomorrow raise it again, next tomorrow raise it again. Raise the lady in the record because that record they keep at for try Abbas put in kind. He go there at the 80s to go into 90. He spend the rest of his life in prison. If not, he will die. Because you don't only go jail, we no thing there inside jail. The pressure say don't do for kill you. Una raise control for this voice. When I talk one written, they say member of parliament talk fine. It's finished for can fake people and corny politics. Una the condole at all. Una get the responsibility. The legislative arms of government are the most powerful one. Because they hold the executive and the judiciary to their toes. What will I don't do? All this happen to do today. When I say we don't call the parliament, the speaker not agree make us so there, we don't call the clerk not agree do am. Raise it again. Continue raising the thing. When I read the sense right now, some of them for when they get sense, then just go na their own village or their own town or their area. They never can in constituency. Pass election time here for campaign, then they go in constituency. We didn't wait for now. The people in wait for good and proper because the people not to fool anymore. One to understand. As a nation, law will always know say the country big pass to all. Law will stop for support institutional coup and constitutional coup them because institutional coup and constitutional coup then they lead to military coup. There is no secret. So their man they look for opportunity when they can not take all. Look what happened in Guinea. They highlight everything. Even the opposition party them plus on civil settlement as well. My civil not to like we own like civil settlement as alone because we will not get civil settlement as alone. They all raise their voice to the international community. No, una make a post to be, una work to be for law get a better democracy. Civil society, una challenge equals so. Opposition party they challenge equals and say no, this thing will happen be the sea. Now una for the joint government to all as Guineans for law get a swift and traditional, free and fair, credible election for the first time in Guinea, and the people all support because when the marginalized brings a majority, when they stand up, you not get nothing for succumb to what they want. Now equality permits. Because there are a bunch of criminals in like us. Even what we don't do, all those things that happen at Salone, the APC don't write letters and pass 100. We don't write everything will get evidence to them. For waste of time, we get evidence for the pull against equals. AU. Who they copy them? The concerned Salone not writing, not time. People they write every time. All day. Thank God anything will write to keep them. When they get for waste of time happening, the whole, they know they save Africa. They know they save Africa, especially West Africa. Equals so they do nothing. Then you have to wait for that problem happen because all a bunch of criminals there. For let them go begin make laws there. The uprising to save African democracy is coming. It's don't start. It's on the way. And it go run down through. Analysts they not talk about get for run down through because the people they suffer at them boku, they not tire. Salolo stand up for save, constitutional coup, and institutional coup them. And they continue the topic by playing. What in Chekoko bin go talk say, like ECOWAS, not sit down and wait till something happen before they stand up. Let them watch for the early one signs them of bad governance. Still know they make the thing happy. Let them watch for them and then step in at the right time, at the appropriate time. Not to wait until that happen and begin go waste money. Thief the ECOWAS money again for saying they go as delegation. It's not important. Now we for come. Salon don't call for ECOWAS. So many times I don't come and see them impose Speaker of Parliament, big members of Parliament to see them. Even that Gambian member of Parliament go to the Parliament, the President and the Speaker because I said policy, they know this because people are not representing their country, either representing their political party or their interests. Now at the play and remember nothing Chekoko been talk again for say the early warning signs then equals to pay attention. I tell them bad governance. I let some sit there and Salon will be except from the talk. Now listen now.
And many others. Honorable Chairman Oba, head of Sierra Leone delegation, pointed out the need for the Commission to follow early warning signs in member states in terms of human rights issues and peace.
The page that deals with peace and democracy in the region. Page 12. Mr. Speaker, I don't know what the new trend is, but usually before now, when the President is before this House, we will get a situation report country by country. But this time around, we've just been told about Mali and perhaps for the two other elections that were held in Cape Verde and Benin. But be that as it may, Mr. Speaker, I want to remind the President, Mr. President, that the establishment of the early warning system mechanisms within the Commission is to help in preserving the peace and security of our region. Mali is no exception. The signs were there in Mali. We don't know what happened, but eventually look at where we ended. We might have avoided what happened in Mali. But Mr. President, you are fully aware of developments in my country as well, Sierra Leone. Since 2018, a lot of issues have developed, from the elections of the Speaker to the removal of elected members of Parliament. The office has been copied in all of this. Mr. President. So it would have been good, as we used to do in the past, to get situation report by countries. Because as I speak, there are other underlying issues in some of these countries as well. My country, for instance, after the elections, electoral reforms were recommended. We are yet to conclude those electoral reforms, and they are necessary and important for future elections. Again, with the Constitution, there are talks, because we've seen the policy already, for local council elections to be non-partisan. But the Constitution is specific on what is supposed to happen. I am sure you also heard of and have been told about the intention of government to conduct a mid-term census. The first time in our country's history to be responded to. But be that as well, Mr. President, I am sure you are briefed on these issues, if not on a daily but on a weekly basis. So in future, I would suggest that we get more detailed report on peace and security. The reason being, as our colleague from Liberia said, without peace and security, development will be far-fetched.
In an exclusive interview,
when I read what Cherikuku say, he highlights, he said the early warning system would set. Let me make a simple way for people who are early warning. Let's talk in the military term, what we call early warning. Now, army, would they set them? Would they as Sujamande Sabi? Early warning, like what you know, inside, would get people who put fire for check if the enemy they come. In case the enemy they come, then fire. For so early warning say we don't suspect enemy or enemy they around, so that we they prepare on ourselves for prevent that thing they let it not happen. The early warning system, Jericho pointed out very clear. He said the early warning is been not shown normally clearly, but they sit down because in the wait, they know what because in all the don't turn bunch of criminals there for support batting. Eventually, what happened in Mali? He says saloon. And in then copy everything and copy the ECOWAS Parliament of 14 that saloon from the removal of members of Parliament to the imposition of Speaker of Parliament, then copy for the way the one can put mid-term censors, constitutional blunder. It talk about so many things. It talk about the non-partisan per local council, constitutional blunder. Anything they say constitution if you want to pull a referendum. It points them clearly. Wow, they remind that NTR follow and say we know they forget history, know the rotten. Now, we tell God thank you now wall of technology as somebody talk in a record. We're going to continue for play. The ECOWAS Sidom, all the time they say, oh, saloon, they're not up in the air. Tell them, say, he's sure, he's very much sure, you know, but always happen at saloon because in the copy them. If they brief, if not daily basis, but in weekly basis or monthly basis, he know. But they cannot do nothing. And then they sit down for even, what by me, they form them, now for the whole government, they're accountable, let them tighten government, say, if you say so, would they make so, if you want to sanction, before I sanction military government, we will not put them bad criminal then. When I sanction the sitting president like Guinea, well, if I come to go first, third time, before say win election by force, when I for sanction, cut off everything, tighten them, let the people rise up. Let me tell you something, democracy is for the people. It's for the people. Now we agree democracy, if we don't want democracy, no one time. Because if you need benefit, what make people to have a military government? Because if you don't come to return, not any benefit any longer for destroy the country, kill people, do things, oppress people, then it's okay, it's enough to military government. Now we come to democracy. Now then call, and when I say we force for let democracy run down through Africa. Then if democracy, you want to come bad party military government, we are not be able to demand the one say. So if we are not able for stand up and defend the democracy, we get for people and they will get for take God where they need to accept, they need to go parliament, there is no more than that, then grab and count law. You like it or not to a degree. The aim for democracy that law gets free and fair elections, law get right to protest and demonstration, law get right to freedom of speech, law able government, all government are accountable. Then make one democracy. If then say all law again, what we want democracy for? No need nothing for democracy. If we cannot hold government accountable, we not get right to freedom of speech, we not get right to protest and demonstration. We not get to associate or belong. Even at the most, I don't care who politicize. We don't want democracy again. Law left so big because it's not going to go better for we. These are the early one in science. They couldn't talk about. Salon, not exception. We all know what's happening because of political reason, because of tribal reason. We make blind. Hey, na lie. Okay. Where we in Salon, Freeton and say if a rebel get ill. Where the rebel in Salon, then where they can Freeton, then no say rebel don't get ill. Now almost say hey, let the word on because they don't can born play who's a Freeton. They don't call play as Anna Freeton. When they call play Anna apply, they born play who's apply. They say if rebel get ill. But where reach a Freeton, all my it's all my concern. We say the word on straight. Lord wait for that in day. Lord wait until it's too late. Keri Kuku statement, and they continue for the 3 term. So now we will not say they are the one in science. All the science they are right now, we don't know what will happen, we know when it will happen, but we know the far from what happen now. Mali or Guinea, we know the far from them because the oppression is oppression. Self-full exile, non beaucoup. All of the detention, non beaucoup. The bastard constitution, non beaucoup. President Biafra saying, no, President Bona coward, bully and the time, but wait for them. Time no defy again. Time no defy again. My last and final topic will be for the military. We all know, see, of recent time, from Western Picana power, we see how the military don't be over politicized. This long politics not gonna have me from 1964. From where Albert Magai can not stand there. But we don't say better after the war. We see they can restructure the military, train people, and spend money for the structure the entire security system, entire saloon, every institution from the judiciary, so they can legal aid board, can the police, can the military, then try at least for minimize them. Every soldier man get party get for vote for, but you need to put it on their forehead. We don't see now people like, especially playing there with the president, when the presidential guard, when I be here one to Jabba talk, calling say political Jabba, he make an audio. I go play him by my next audio because I need to play now. But if you don't want to get at the player, but my next one I go talk about the military, I go point him out. Jabba calling say political Jabba, they talk, they insult the former president, they even insult him. But soon everybody come Brigadier General Bonkolenke, they insult them. He say na political Jabba, he calls himself SFP Jabba. From that day to date, they not charge him. They don't take action up till date. I start from Buddha time. I will continue for calling. I don't tell them, let them wait. Buddha them, let them wait. Government they change. We know they can't run after politician that much. No. We don't run after one of the institution there because we want to get a better institution. So we don't lock for my CDS. We don't lock for my IG. We don't lock for my head of ONS or CISU. We don't lock somebody when a next commissioner. I think they get for count over 2018 election. We don't lock head of PPRC. All the institutions. We don't lock chief justice and we don't lock judges. They wouldn't do bad rulings. You when they appoint as chief justice, you when they appoint as CDS, you when they appoint as IG, you when they appoint as director of prison. Believe it or leave it. Now either you resign or you do the right thing because you want build an institution where they can defend democracy. Because you forget the institution they correct, only they talk nothing. The democracy is protected. If you may say the IG, nobody they able to use that, include the president. The CDS, nobody use that, include the president. The chief justice, nobody they able to use that, include the president. The parliament they to the tax. I swear to God, we don't get good governance. We don't get better democracy because now they hold the country, but then become reckless over reckless. But before I come to the military proper, I want to congratulate Joseph Lamboy, the head of prison. In me, I don't tell us when somebody do good at the talker. When you do bad at the talker, for like you say not to hater. 19 that way they do and when they continue for do for whole, it made the right to medical. Now in the money, hold the right for letting go na do like how they do with 8 months solitary confinement. Like what did I put Kamari Basu now? What did I put Ali Foster? I will continue for talk. You prison director, you know say when somebody sick, the prison don't get the capacity. Now for tell us, this person, I come to this tier, I like what the emergency, then fire them for like foot no point. They want to say in foot down bug, in foot down begins well. Kamari sick, okay, they not get bill, but me as prison director, we can't want to corner, okay, I'm going to 34, we put prison officer. These are the bad things I will talk about. But I want to congratulate you for the promotion. I want to congratulate you. At least it also an example like company Falaram, not like what in Bremaja and Bosfet for tribal promotion would also happen at the police. Where Sovula in not get bearing. In just say in the promote in the policy, in not the institution of the policy, the policy, that's what Bremaja say, the IG say the policy. We say just promote you want for promote, one want for promote. Out of 40, 32. That's how system need to be specific. When I look. But see Joseph Lamboy, he do free and fair promotion. Nobody will say nah, because of me na Northerner or me na Limba or me na He promotes. Nobody no grumble dey. Don't wait and deal. He give them. Now that's what they talk. When you can't follow you do you work correctly, do like Joseph Lamboy, you do correctly. Now they congratulate you. Thank you for letting you hear the cry of the people because I talker. The time when they want go begin force you, they say pass where the minister this Pandanoa we no know nothing. Plus Lima when them two idiot go meet idiot because when Suluku Benede Lima not been together 3 years. Better they go pass on that president view. When them pull and they go out 2 idiots in one ministry, that makes you see the security sector, the police and the prison don't become reckless. 2 idiots go in our ministry, you see them. But it's stood your ground and say no, it's either they promote that way you don't give or promotion not come out. We want to tell you thank you. If they want to sack you, they want to left. But now so it for be. At least we guys say we go talk say Joseph Lamboy do good. The only problem we get, that when they're using a jail for tight pull because of politics, that's the only problem we get. Now the only unprofessional problem we get to me they talk against you always. But what you do so, continue stand your ground. Promotion na merit. Would I don't do promotion at 2 you don't do or you merit and that way they promote you. Not by political connection, not by tribal connection. Like what in so like they do. Like what in they do a lodge. Promote man, promote it today, promote it tomorrow. So let them burn and sit down. 20 they kick against on the in them 2018. Some of who if affected for that when they say for promote they say no. They kick against them. They say no, they no promote somebody. General Bonkoleka go let's call it name because in that say no, not because they didn't lodge they promote it today, promote other. What do I know the battalion? They do suja. Una can who know what happened in 2018 promotion, 2019 promotion. I know when they promote left behind the battalion them. We see Lambo don't set an example. I want to take Kibakia. That kind of topic proper about the recklessness of them military heads there. You know, now so today the military spokesman go on radio. He go talk rubbish day. If it's Jaman go talk politics, that this action will take against her and then go dismiss her, then go make so nonsense. He go to call himself spokesman. That I tell you, what tell us something in the people and the okay respect me that military spokesman just not supposed to be respect so much because I know it's supposed to be godly. Now now they know the bend so, but this government don't can't try for bend almost straight. They bend them by force. Just Bondo. Then go to the radio. I don't be listening to UIV where they ask him what does Sujaman the role in politics. We talk clearly. Sujaman talk politics. They dismiss you. In fact, on top they dismiss you sending to civil police. One part of the thing where they send Sujaman to civil police where you talk politics for threatening people their life. We see recently, before this time, we see where soldiers from Presidential Lodge, they dance and call themselves, they say these people make up for Tologo, threaten Sierra Leone and their life, saying they kill them. And they play the video, Lord, I read a statement then I play the other, because I know how they play, and they talk and blood, do the proper analysis.
All right, well done, as
Yeah. See this, I say for Tolongo them all. I say shake. That's not a brush. Right now, Presidential Lodge now. Yeah, see Presidential guard first. So I say this, they go and say for Tolongo there. Any book shake as like a brush. Okay. I see the hungry lion. Yeah. I say we represent the corrupt people under the new direction. And also Obola as a tailor. Okay. Yeah. I say not talk. I say the for car. I say the car no more.
President. Anybody
I say talk and do.
They go to information next one. Okay.
Yeah. I say he she. I say the mistake. I say I brush. I say the independent. I say 2021. So let's do that one. Cannot teach back. We can send a worldwide.
10 days another year. These 2-3 days. Anybody try to go to?
Yeah, it's not a brush.
Anybody try president?
This now the statement of the different soldiers them. I know almost all of them. And so then na senior issue. With the army, they say they ought to know better. For more this thing happen to dates, no action and not take against them. Here comes one lady from Pujong. Aisha, you not talk politics, so say he talk politics, so he make audio or he make video, then say no more, he share something in one group. Where it concern SLPP. Then say the Grand Dry Day. SLPP should celebrate the Grand Dry Day. Exactly that's where he share. SLPP youth celebrate the Grand Dry Day. The Pekin, I don't know that lady they are like like London, you know, Sabi. Now in Pekin they using phone. He's go to make a statement, say no to in. Now in Pekin they using phone. In not even no safe. Then Sidom Brigadier Abu Conte, when a general, then say not get standalone general. A general is standalone general. Irrespective of any consequence for standalone for defend procedures and policies. They say they force him for let dismiss the Pekin, for let put him compulsory retirement. In a Jonty, she don't make video. These are soldiers attached to presidents. But so away they make let's say in kind no day then you know that they run for the promotion to Colonel. Una the joke. Then Colonel una some of una you claim they already did. They not charge them, they not do them nothing. This is a dismissal offense. Soldier man, the two they dismiss soldier will talk, they look themselves. The crime them be one, politics, in they dismiss you. Sometimes they say dismiss you and to civil police. Two, thief. Sometimes they will dismiss you and to civil police. Go thief and civil, they dismiss you and they to civil police. 3, rape. They dismiss you and to civil police. 4, drugs. They dismiss you and to civil police. 5, paternalization. When you file a company ref, then they dismiss you and to civil police. These are things where they need to compromise themselves in the army. At all. Things they don't compromise. But then they need to compromise at all. And the most serious one are politics. So you're not a politician. We see they need a lodge. They say for Tolomo, let them cannon, they kill them. Put even life threatening. Even when the party write letter, the military know they take action. Under Sule. Because Nabude will not start them. Lavan say discipline. Now I make false life, but Lavan una attempt the rich. You know, una couple of flop. Una couple of flop. Now try no more. Una couple of flop. These are actions for take. Una take am. Una they dismiss soldiers selectively because na not because in Bangura una Kuruma. Now una hold damage on Makeni. When me not sabi one day in a chapel, me not to Christian, me na Muslim. They say they give me information. When I go look at that room, a major go look at that room. Season phone. When I check now, say una shame now. Me una don't say una get no contact one. They may not sabi officially. Not even sabi officially. Now that the whole people when I say that they give information, now they tell people them. Now when I get got for whole call parade. CDS go open in much recklessness. Say they call parade because me talk about the reckless thing they do. Say the information leaked to me. If I call parade for that, he get man call parade for address soldiers them. Say me don't expose the document. So when I be say the wall for no. And I will continue for expose now. But not man call parade for tie the soldiers in a lodge for pull them. You and the chief of defense staff. You and the job first commander. But I get man call parade say document leaked to me. Una Chris. Una not even know na enemies them. People are not out to for no. Even when a family not out because they do bad thing, this thing is the benefits alone. You get my call parade because the document leaked to me, but you not get my call parade for address the presidents alone. You not get my tell the presidents I have first command say, charge them bring them come for them to the appropriate action. At least we go say when they do things, but I do selectively because they are not to Minde, not to South Sisters, they not to SFP. Most of the boost of party card, they put on the boost of party card. The pie card, boost of party card. When I not get my pie card anything up for them charge that because for dismissal by force. If they use influence the brigadier herself, when they did plus the chief of staff, plus the battalion commander, they don't know themselves, then they go sit down, then they go say they force them for like now allow na lie. Nobody say what policy because me na be I know the policy is small. Now allow na lie. Abu content allow na chief of staff, allow na lie. The CEO allow because now all they put there. From the brigade commander, the chief of staff now, the deacons now, the CEO, they're all not serious. Now reckless than the una for tell me no excuse. Una know. Una very well know. And expect much from una. Like una did this so. Una na old soldier there. Ebo Abu container old soldier. Ebo Abdul Bangura na old soldier. He said old soldier. He na colonel now. Chief of staff for God's sake. If the brigade commander want do rubbish, you don't advise him. Because the CEO don't talk no di. Una no go advise brigade commander say parlon no do that here. Let them they not take action from them jabba. From Hungry Lion, I know Hungry Lion make audio where they talk. If they challenge the authority them. They need to do a for where they do that video challenge. They make audio so cannot play. Say they need to do a Nazi as well as SLP come in a proper person. But I will get mine. For the brigade commander himself, they say no, the SFP and chief of staff, then go take action against a poor soldier who don't know nothing. Poor soldier who know nothing. Una, who go deal with una come. Until una feel say, una they can't fool yourself flat on now. Abu Conte, Abdul Bangura, una ready for we. Because the CEO are not talking because they bune they own, still they say about them they own, we need talk about themselves. Una only do a general, they ready for you because I know themselves. And they can play on audio, but a female soldier wey talk say, then they send them for make coup d'etat. The military will get policies first. Even if you get case, you don't get for go talk. Talk less than what happen in anybody country. If they talk, even that the army say in that 12 years of age, they may take them. Listen to them.
My name is Tutuge, a soldier. I want to say to Salon people, say we dey forget quick. We dey really forget. I saw the film for the innocent people that will be lost their life during the Civil War from 1991 to this time. And they film for the soldiers that will die. And they also film for the soldiers that will get total damage, everlasting damage. When they talk to now, I joined the army in 1991, now Darumwa Barracks, Tiger Battalion at that time. During Marie Conte in time, I see His Excellency as a lieutenant na Mendeke Magaula. I know waiting at the top, but Una where they inside soldier then say we na Boy Scouts, we no want do waiting the Guinea soldiers and do. Yes, because where some few people that be overthrow Tijan Kaba, we suffer the consequences. They run after we go na bush.
I just want to stop this audio for life. Just remember something, Sierra Leoneans. Them Mende people here, like this as Mende Asabiam. What do I talk about coup d'etat? Let's talk about President Bio in Kuto Momo. They always talk about coup d'etat. We have affected Jankaba. We affect SLPP. They always forget about Meda Bio and coup like MPS. Don't be coup d'etat. Like MPS, they just go to get power. They allow pay attention Pandandi. When they talk about coup d'etat, they always talk about the coup d'etat we overthrow Jankaba. They talk about MPS. Any coup na coup, Mada Bio the first become being on seat elected governments. When Joseph said no, I just want him alone and no longer picking them here on Aid.
Well, the Guinea soldiers and do. Yes, because where some few people that be overthrow Tijan Kaba, we suffer the consequences. They run after we go na bush, just a hip cross the bumper we get height past us for kill we because Tijan Kaba not be take easy. He say let na fall limit in this country. He ready for ruler, but he not go left am because wait happen a democratic elected president. Likewise, Mada Bio na democratic elected president. We na soldiers for God's sake. We na left for inside tree. We serve the government of the day all over the media. Soldiers alone soldiers and na Boy Scouts na this and that. No problem. We na Boy Scouts. But I dey talk with pain in my heart. I know wetin war do me. I joined this army at the age of 12 years as a small pikin.
Now this statement about one listen again. He said he joined the army at the age of 12 years. We all know what to make. Then tell brothers into the east and say them, bazzy them. 5-5, they wouldn't dinner special court. They say them hold them for the good child soldiers. So this is an indictment of the military self. Me no say the army no they take soldier below 18 years of age. Now 18 years and above. Below 18 years, no. He say he joined the army at the age of 12 years. Now in fact, the army gets a whole wing when at the public relation wing. When are the spokespeople them? If something happen and they go to media and address them to the nation, say when I not all this A, B, C, or D. Now then get responsibility of any soldier man. Now make us strictly say soldier man. They talk to media say because we get a media team. When I responsibility for talk, but they don't go take action against them. For me to talk to this, we all know this video don't go viral. Action no go take against them because na Southeastern na SLPP na Mende person. Now then say I win if me they fight against everybody for equal before the law. Not selective justice for the Aisha wouldn't dismiss them. When I continue for this, all the one don't call Jabba, the Hungry Lion, they are doing dance alone. I know them. We want to see actions because I don't take action against them. We not believe it's not limits. We not pay for the actions. When I go pay, when I go be the person they pay the price and day. This I just remember that say selective justice. Only they encourage injustice one is injustice for all. Nobody no be pass the law either they above or below the law. What I put Aisha, now I run down to Tutu girl and all that that's a video and Jabba them all. They know they above the law. If not, now then tell the whole life and then tell the town for. Once I get this communication, I talk. God bless Sierra Leone and God save Sierra Leone.
Wherever you dey, mama, make you pray for me. Because we don't tire, we don't tire for this oppression. That's why we dey ask for solution.
Police they kill you also. Government they ban you also. Now waiting we go do. Now we go do. Because we not stand up. Nothing for tomorrow. Waiting we go tell our pikin. Say we no fight for our right. Mama, 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 mama.